An innocent Kashmiri youth has gone missing in the custody of Indian Army, which prompted the family members and relatives to stage a protest demonstration in Kunnan Poshpura area of Kupwara, seeking the whereabouts of the youth. The youth named Abdul Rashid was arrested by Indian Army during a house raid in December 2022 and went missing in the Indian Army's custody. It is believed that the army has killed him in custody. Kashmiri Global Diaspora will observe the Right to Self-Determination Day on Thursday, 5th January, in memory of the adoption of the UN Security Council resolution passed on that day in 1949, giving the people of Jammu and Kashmir the right to self-determination. Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fayed, Chairman, World Forum for Peace and Justice, in a statement issued in Washington, said that the Kashmiri diaspora will hold public rallies, seminars and processions in different capitals of the world. Call for the observance of the day has also been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Protest demonstrations, rallies, seminars and other programs will be held in Azad Kashmir, Pakistan and in all major capitals of the world. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti has criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party for making Jammu and Kashmir a Godse nation. Godse is referred to a Hindu nationalist, Nathuram Vinayak Godse, who assassinated Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in New Delhi in 1948. Regretting the killing of 4 people in Dangri area of Rajouri district, Mehbooba Mufti said people of all religions are living in Jammu and Kashmir. Gandhi made this nation a secular country, but now the current party is making it a Godse nation. Indian oppression and atrocities in occupied Kashmir need no introduction. World organizations like the United Nations, European Union, OIC and human rights bodies, including Amnesty International, Human Rights Watchdog and Asia Watch, have been condemning Indian state terrorism in the occupied territory. Another gruesome rape and death incident of a 20-year-old woman has emerged in India's capital, New Delhi, wherein the woman was raped by some BJP goons who then hit her with her car and dragged the body along for miles. The woman was returning from work in the early hours of 1st January when her scooter collided with a car. Police say the driver of the car, which had 4 other passengers, kept driving it for miles, dragging the woman's body along.